Hey there, road warriors. Are you tired of running out of storage on your dash cam just when you need it most? Well, I've got some amazing news for you. A free 64 gigabytes memory card is included with your dash cam purchase. Stick around, because today I'm going to show you why this little card is a big deal for your car setup. Your dash cam is your trusty co-pilot, capturing everything from scenic road trips to crucial incidents. But none of that matters if you run out of storage space, right? That's where the 64 gigabytes card comes in. It's designed to store hours of crisp 4K and 1080p footage, so you never miss a frame. Whether it's recording breathtaking views or those oh-so-important parking lot moments, this card has you covered. And the best part? It's included for free. No extra cost, no hassle. This isn't just any memory card. It's high-speed and built to handle the demands of modern dash cams. It pairs perfectly with 4K and 1080p video, delivering smooth, reliable performance. And thanks to loop recording, old footage is automatically overwritten when the card gets full, so you'll always have space for the moments that matter most. Whether you're on a quick errand or a cross-country road trip, this 64 gigabytes card ensures you're never stuck saying, "I ran out of space." Let's talk real-life scenarios. You're driving through a beautiful mountain road. This card ensures your 4K dash cam captures every twist and turn. Or imagine someone bumps into your car while it's parked. With 24-hour parking monitoring and this card, you'll have the footage ready when you need it. And it's not just about storage, it's about peace of mind. A reliable memory card means you'll always have evidence when it counts. Ready to get your hands on this amazing free 64 gigabytes card? Click the link in the description below to grab yours today with your dash cam purchase. And while you're here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more tips, tricks, and tech reviews. Your car deserves the best, and I've got all the gear to make it happen. With this free 64 gigabytes card, you're saying goodbye to storage worries and hello to reliable, hassle-free recording. Whether it's for safety, memories, or peace of mind, this little upgrade makes a huge difference. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more car tech tips and reviews. Drive safe, and I'll see you in the next video.